Hi, I'm Alana with Soothe On Demand. I'm here today to show you how to perform a scalp massage. Scalp massages are a wonderful way to help your client relax and to feel pampered. In addition, there are three main benefits of a scalp massage. Number one, it increases blood circulation. Number two, it's a natural remedy for tension headaches and migraines. Number three, it reduces muscle tension, therefore reducing stress level hormones. After you condition your client, begin the massage for a more pampered, upgraded experience. Let's get started. First, you want to instruct your client to close their eyes, take a deep breath in, and just relax. There's two options of getting started. You can either start at the base of the head or the neck. Starting at the base of the head, we're going to locate three pressure points. One is at the back of the head, which is the area called the occipital, which is located behind the eyes. Directly behind the eyes is where you want to be. Second pressure point is at the crown of the head, middle portion, to the top of the head. Last, the temples. Begin the massage using your fingertips in a circular motion, starting off with medium pressure and gradually increasing to firm. I'm going to do this a couple of times throughout the head. Moving back towards the pressure point, I'm going to locate it, starting at the back of the head. I'm going to press down firmly and hold for about 10 seconds. Next, we're going to move up to the crown, middle portion of the head. Press down firmly, again, and hold for 10 seconds. Doing this will help with any tension headaches or migraines that your client may have. Press down on the sides of the head, the temples, and hold. And just going back in a circular motion and massaging your client's head. And do this for about 3 to 5 minutes, just increasing the pressure as you go along throughout. Option two. When starting at the neck, you're going to place one hand on the top of the client's head. The other hand is shaped like a C around their neck. You're going to gently go up and down motion, circular, just a couple of passes, in a slow, steady pace, and gradually increasing the pressure from each pass. Now from the neck, you just go right into the base of the head, again locating the pressure points as I stated earlier. Again, pressing down firmly, holding for 10 seconds, and release. Moving up, working your way up towards the crown. Again, you're going to hold for 10 seconds, release. Towards the front of the head, hold 10 seconds, release. And on to the temples, sides of the head. Hold 10 seconds and release. You want to do this throughout about 3 to 5 minutes just to give a full scalp massage for your client. Just run your fingertips through the whole head and again, increasing the pressure as you go along. Accurate pressure involves the application of manual pressure to specific points on the head. General tips to remember. Always ask your client, how is the pressure? However, you don't want to overdo it. You don't have to ask throughout the scalp massage. In general, you could kind of gauge by looking at your client's facial expressions while you're massaging them if the pressure is to their liking. Lastly, don't rush your massage. Think of a relaxing pace. Be gentle, soothing, and you will make your client's day.